Hello everyone, my name is Orton, and what we'll review today is the Unifi Cloud Getaway console panel. We have a 19-inch rack mount kit, and we want everything nice and tidy. Now, there's a lot of work involved, but making the right steps is the first step, right? So what we do is we unbox this kit. It costs about €100, so I hope it's worth it. So we take out the packaging and we see what's inside the box. Okay, we have a little startup guide inside the box, which we don't need. Once you use Unifi, you don't need it. You have the cloud key panel. You can feed it from the front. Unifi recommend to feed it from the front because it's just more stable than feed it from the back of the cloud key. So we have the cloud key goes in there. It should be a really easy setup. And what else do we have in the box? Quick start guide, some screws. Unifi usually do a better job on this one. Nope, that's it. That's what's in the box. And then what we'll do is we peel this off. Okay, nothing in there. Slide it in, so that tray pin goes upside down. The tray pin goes on the top of the panel. Yeah, that's locked. That's locked. That's in, and we will take out the panel as soon as into the rack. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, please leave in the comment below. What we'll do is the next video will be how to mount this and then wire it up, and then we start migrating over from the SE system to the Gateway. Thank you.